Hello, hi YouTube. So I'm gonna tell you something. Today I have a situation going on. This is my Chevy Econo LT V6. So excellent transmission and everything. Very smooth engine. So very good. First of all, I'm gonna show you all the cars around, and this is Chevy Equinox LT. So 2007, 149,000 miles only. So whenever I start, have a strange noise coming from the engine bay. So just give me 1 second. I'm gonna go start the car right now so you can see what's going on inside. And anyone know, just tell me no, let me know. So what is the problem with this noise? You see, it's coming from the engine bay area. So I'm gonna show you right now inside. Here's the water pump right here. So when they start only, it's strange noise coming around the engine bay. So is anyone know anything about this noise? Let me know. So I know what is the problem exactly. I know what you think. It's not the water pump. Okay, it's not the water pump. It's gonna be your starter. So your starter is bad. So the Chevy Equinox, if you have this similar SUV, um, that's why it's coming from the noise from the starter. So if you have a bad starter, so you have to change the starter. So otherwise you're going to stuck uh, because of the whenever it starter bad, the car is going to stuck and you can no move or anything until you replace the starter. So if you is the just the case, so if you have similar like that, so you have to change the starter because of you have bad starter. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe or any comments below, so you just shoot me a text or something like that. So thank you so much.